Namaskar dosto. In this video we will understand astrology and understanding of Om through so many ways. First of all, Om is the first sound of universe. It is actually the sound of Ma Shakti energy, and through the first energy divided into two parts, Purush and Prakriti, and then lot of duality started, man woman, day night, plus minus, yin yang, all this duality, male female, all this duality is available in Om also. This duality is generated through Vishnu, through U, A, U, Me. A means that is the first sound, that is Shakti, that is Prakriti. U, Vishnu, and Ma is Shiva. So this is something very important to understand, that Om itself is a complete combination of complete energy, and it's the first sound of universe. NASA has also explained it and found through research that Om is the sound of universe. Okay, it has triplicity effect, A, U, Ma. If we chant daily, it is something soothing effect to our mind, to the best of energy. U, it's to the best of mind. Okay, Ma, it's like a transformation, it's a Shiva energy. And again, if we explain it into five, okay, that is one. If you see the, I want to show you that uh, another aspect of this through pen. Okay, here you will see that one, that is Jagrat Avastha, and two, that is dreaming, Swapna. Three, that is Susupta. Four, Transcendental, that is on top, and fifth is world of illusion, Maya, that fails true awareness. So basically this is something you will understand: waking, dreaming, deep sleep, transcendental state, world of illusion. Basically complete Om itself is a set of energy which itself a purest form of sound, a purest form of Ma Shakti energy, which is the master, which is the root of all other sound. If you see Sare Gama Padanisha, this is the seven sur are originated from Om. If any language, all the languages are originated from Om, because this is the starting of any word. If you say any word, you will use Om only. If you speak any language, you will use Om only. Like it is a like four colors, there are three basic color, and through those color only all the colors are made. Same way, Om, A, U, Me, three colors are joining together in different ratio and making other colors. Same way, Om, A, U, Me, three syllaba of letters, these are something making other words, let it be of any language. Okay, so Om is the first word in all the mantras. Om Bhurvasva Tatsaviturvrenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Devana Prachodayat, Gayatri mantra, Maha mantra, it has started with Om. Other mantra also started with Om. Why? Because before saying, before communicating to the universe, to the God, to the Ishtadev, we should actually align our mind with the universe, and universe is available at Om level. When we chant Om daily, our mind is aligned with universe and start getting energy. So this is very simple thing. Okay, and I'm sure you will understand this, and surely it will be helpful for you. Okay, and in the other slide, a lot of things I have explained that this dot is meaning. So uh, going into more details, better you understand the Chris idea. The Chris idea is that Om is the first sound, is the source of energy. Any type of energy is started from Om only. Okay, in astrology, what is the importance when we talk about the remedies and mantras? Alone Om chanting is enough. If you do it properly from heart, you connect yourself to universe, and surely it will give you amazing result, 100%. So Om is very important, and surely you will be very happy if you understood its importance, and it will help you in future also. Okay, thank you for this session, and surely I will explain little more about this. Okay, and any other question if you have, you can send me more details about this. What question you want to ask, you can send me in comment box, you can share it with your friends. Okay, thank you.